as you can see, if I just do this, you see this stand sucks, guys. Look at that. And you might be thinking, or you might be asking yourself, why did I get a new microphone instead of a new stand? The thing is that I want to increase the quality of my videos, so this is why I got the stand along with the microphone and along with the shock mount, as you can see right over here. Now, I'm not going to be explaining like everything 24/7 because you guys are going to be bored. I know you guys want to be here for the unboxing, and I'm going to do that right now. And I'm sorry if I'm like moving around with the camera. I'm actually just learning how to use my tripod, and yeah, I'm just gonna get right into the unboxing. There we go. You guys can see it, or not really. Okay, now you guys can see it. You can see there's these cover things. I think this is for the shock mount, as you guys can see. It's over here. There's also another thing over here as well. This is for the table thing right here. This is the microphone itself, which is covered in. Okay, there we go. This is the microphone over here. I'll actually take it out of the thing, and you can see this is actually nice. I like the color, and you can see this is everything. And we're also going to be doing a sound test too, so if you guys want the sound test, I'm probably going to like put the timestamp in the description for the sound test if that's what you want. We also got the cable. I don't know what this thing is. I think this is for the thing, the shock mount. And last and definitely not least is the stand itself. Or not the stand, but like the arm right over here. It's this long. And I think I'm gonna compare it to my other arm, which is the newer mic arm, which I'm gonna show you guys right over here. You see, look how bad this thing is. Like, I'll even bring it up. It just does that. Look at that, look at that. Okay, now it's actually standing up. You wanna know, or not really, you wanna know why? If you can see this little part over here, this is the thing that's making it stand, because I'm actually doing it like that, and then you can see that the arm is standing up. But then when you move down like that, this is the whole mic that's going down like that. And also, they're actually making scratches on the table whenever I move it. And yes, I know it's probably not the stand, but it's the fact that, you know, I'm having trouble with the stand. It's the newer stand. It's probably a basic stand. I don't like it. I'm sure other people like it, but this is not for me. So I wouldn't recommend this to anyone. I would rather just save up for a good stand, or maybe just buy like an actual like stand, not an arm. I keep calling it a stand, my bad. But don't buy this arm, okay? Do not buy this. This is a waste. $30, okay? Just don't buy it, okay? I don't like it. It scratches my desk everywhere, and it's just annoying, alright? So I'm not recommending this to anyone, alright? The microphone itself, it's good for budget creators, content creators, but if you want to like go extreme, then I would suggest going with the Blue Yeti or the Rode NT USB, but I decided to go with the Blue Yeti because it had a bundle, and I needed a bundle anyway, and I couldn't find any bundle that was in Canada because, you know, I live in Canada, so this is gonna be different. Alright, so I think we're just gonna set this up. I'm gonna get rid of the box and everything, but I also want to show you guys that this is just like the instructions manual. I don't think you guys need that, so we're gonna get this thing set up, and yeah. Okay guys, so I actually took a while to set this whole arm thing up. As you can see, I have it set up right over here, as you guys can see. And if you guys hear any background noises, it's because I'm actually running my computer. So if you guys hear that, I just gotta get a new computer or something, I don't know. Because I have the microphone upside down, I'm gonna try my best to like just explain which each of these patterns do. And I was actually trying to use this a bit, and it's kind of hard just tilting it, like the whole entire patterns, because, you know, it's upside down and stuff. Now this over here, we're gonna start from here, is basically the gain. So let's say if you are talking from, let's say, 100 meters, and I'm over exaggerating, by the way, but if you really wanted people to hear you so much, you could just put this gain up, which I wouldn't recommend doing. And you know, this is upside down, so I'm just gonna like try my best to like just, you know, read from here. And I know it's a bit blurry too, but like I said, you know, it's upside down. And yeah. Alright, so let's start the patterns, okay? This one over here, the one with the 2 circles, is called stereo mode. So this is like good for like ASMR channels. Like this is for like music and stuff. I'm actually reading it from the site because, you know, I obviously don't know any of this stuff from the top of my head. And this one over here is the omnidirectional mode. So this is basically good for like conference calls, like, you know, you're recording basically anything, like maybe a podcast and you're like trying to share a mic or something. This is the best pattern for you. Then this one over here is the cardioid mode. This one is perfect for basically, you know, podcasts and stuff. But the one with the circles, like, good for maybe if you only have one mic, you can just use it for multiple people sharing one mic. But this is basically, you know, podcasting for like individuals and stuff. This is also good for like Twitch streaming. So this is basically the one that I would be using. Also forgot that the stereo mode is actually good for music stuff as well. And last and definitely not least is the bi-directional mode. So this is basically a good thing if you're trying to like record a 2-person interview. I mean, it's kind of similar to the omnidirectional mode, but this one is like just one person, like it's you and then another person if you were trying to like record an interview. So it's basically the front and the back of the mic. Now we're gonna go to the front of the mic right now. Alright, so we're at the front of the mic right now, and you might be thinking, oh, why is this flashing? Doesn't it not flash? Well, the thing is that every time when this thing flashes, it's muted, but when you press it again, it shows the light, which means it's on. I personally don't like it. I wish it would have like a different LED. Like let's say if you wanted to mute yourself, it would show red, but then when you unmute, it would show green. Like I wish it could do that, but instead if you wanted to mute, you would basically have to press it. I'm pressing it. It's not working. I guess I gotta wait for it to mute itself, but yeah, this is a big fail. And this is the volume. Okay, again, this is upside down for the headphones. Like this is basically if you want to like hear yourself and stuff. But for me, I don't use the headphone jack on the mic because I already have speakers coming out from my computer. I could probably test that in the future, but you know, since this is something that I would use personally for like Twitch streaming and stuff, and for other stuff, I will basically just leave it the way it is. And yeah, if you guys want to hear the mic test, then you guys are gonna hear it right now. What is up, guys? This is DangTechReview here, and I'm currently recording in stereo mode. I know this may not be ideal for Twitch streamers and podcast listeners, but you know, I'm just basically testing out every pattern, which I'm gonna try to switch right now. I am now in omnidirectional mode, and yes, I was about to basically mispronounce that, but again, guys, I'm trying to like give you guys an accurate representation of how this is gonna work. Like right now, I'm moving around the mic, and I'm also behind the mic as well. Now we're gonna go into. Alright, so now we are in cardioid mode. Yes, I was about to mispronounce that. But yes, this is basically for Twitch streaming, guys. I think this is the way I'm going to leave it like that. And I'm going to try playing around with the gain. Right now, I think I am loud right now. And I'm sorry if you guys are being ear raped, but that's okay, guys. And no, I'm not going to edit any of this out. Like, I'm not going to, like, enchant this yeah, I'm not going to enchant this, and yes, I messed up. Now I'm going to turn it all the way down, okay. Okay, can you guys still hear me? Yes, I can hear, or I can't really hear myself, but like now, the spikes are now, like, you know, they're a bit low, and we're going to go switch into bi-directional mode. Alright, so this is, you know, person number 1. Hello, guys, welcome to your boy Dangboy's TV show here. I'm your host, Dangboy. Let's get right into the interview. Alright, so today we're going to be interviewing person number 2. Yo, what's up? Alright, That's it, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed the show. Let me know what you think by subscribing to DangTechReview down below. Alright, guys, so I know that the recording was cringe, but you get the idea of how the microphone works. And keep in mind that I did not use the pop filter for this, which is this thing right here. I wanted it to keep it fair and simple, because if I were to use the pop filter, then it would be an advantage to me. Also, one more thing, I actually forgot to mention this. This stand took forever to set up. This stand right here, alright? You have to like adjust the thing, like, you know, when you take this out, like, I'm gonna show you right here. Like, you know, this part, I'm not gonna fully take it out for reasons, but that thing, like, you have to look below the thing because there's a screw there. You have to adjust it, and when you adjust it, you're gonna have to make sure it like fits the weight of the, you know, the Blue Yeti. So if you have like a lighter mic, you definitely would want to make that, you know, loose, or not loose, but like a little bit tight. But you also have to like adjust these like stands right there, like those arms, and it took a while for me to set up because, you know, it was just, you know, like that. And yeah, this is basically the overall summary. What do I think about this microphone? I like it, you know, it's an upgrade, definitely, from this Blue Snowball Ice right over here. I had this since 2017, and now it's 2020. We're making big moves, alright? So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, then please be sure to leave a like and subscribe to this channel if you're new, as I'm still a small creator with like about 400 subscribers, 430 subscribers, and you know, we want to grow. And yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video, and like I said, leave a like, subscribe. Yes, I've already said that, but yeah, there should be a new video coming up maybe next month or maybe next week. I'm still trying to review this thing over here, okay? It almost showed my reflection, but I'm ugly. But yeah, anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys next time, and peace out. See you later.